Ja, herzlich willkommen zur neuen Ausgabe des E-Talk. Ja, die PDAC ist geschlagen und ich habe jetzt mir in den letzten 2-3 Stunden bin ich rundum gelaufen und habe verschiedene Eindrücke der PDAC gesammelt. Die möchte ich Ihnen jetzt vorstellen in einem komprimierten Zusammenschnitt. Entschuldigen Sie die ein bisschen rüpelhafte Zusammenschneidung, aber ich bin halt kein Profi und ja, es geht ja darum, was die Leute sagen und nicht, wie es zusammengeschnitten ist. Tschüss und Baba und viel Erfolg. Rob, the PDAC 2017 is done. What was the biggest difference to last year?
I would say the biggest difference from last year was the sentiment. Last year, no one really knew what to do. I think there's a better sentiment. We might have a bit of a down, but I think people feel companies are cashed up. There are going to be more financings, and there's people generally looking for good companies and good stories. So I think there's a bit better optimism for all us in the sector.
Rob, we're coming up 2-3 years ago with the term 2020 and 2020. You are still on the way to 2020?
Yes, sure. Yeah, that's yours. And you're right, Joe. That's true.
Rob, thank you for your time and good luck.
Thanks, Joe. Have a good day.
You too.
That's cute. I like that.
Ja, neben mir ist Jack Stoch. Er ist CEO von Globex. Und ja, Jack, what was your... we are end of the PDAC, and what do you think was this year the mood of the PDAC compared to last year?
Oh, it was fantastic. Lots and lots of interest, companies looking to do projects, lots of money roaming around, a lot of foreign companies coming in looking for assets in Canada. Excellent, excellent, excellent convention.
So the market is back?
Yes. Oh, no question. No question.
And I saw a lot of press releases where you joined out some project to other ones, so you are really busy.
We're very, very busy. We're doing all kinds of deals in gold, industrial minerals. It's across the board. Unlike the last couple of years, there's a lot of interest in all kinds of projects.
Great, then good luck and see you next year.
Dankeschön.
Brad, thank you to have time, and I must say I have a conflict of interest. I'm a shareholder. Endeavour Silver, the last 4 days we should skip, but it's not possible. We're going down 30% or 1/3 of the company from the share price. So what's happened?
We had a very difficult day in the markets last Thursday. But the entire week last week was based on market chatter that the U.S. Fed was going to raise rates, and so the golds and especially the silvers all sold off. I think Endeavour got hit harder than most simply because we have some quant funds in our stock. We didn't see any big blocks, so we don't think there was any institutional sales. We certainly don't think there's a short. But in terms of quant funds running algorithms, if they all decide that they want to get out of gold and silver at the same time, because of our leverage to the price of silver, we do unfortunately get hit worse than most. And the flip side of that coin, when silver is going up, we do run higher than most.
Yeah, that's the positive stuff. What do you think about PDAC 2017?
Boy, what a change from last year. It's very upbeat. We're seeing many companies with funds, unlike last year. I think this is going to be a very interesting year for the exploration business. And of course, the gold and silver prices are back in a bull market. Even though we're in a correction now, I think you're going to see nice prices this year.
Brad, thank you for the update. See you next time in Vancouver.
You bet. Thanks, Joe.
Thank you. Ja, neben mir Michael Rapsch. Wir machen das in Englisch, Silvercrest. So, Michael, how was the PDAC 2017 compared to 2016? What was your feeling?
Compared to last year, it was definitely a better sentiment on the trading floor here, on the investor exchange trading floor. More confidence has returned to the resource investor, you can tell. And I'm just hoping that we see a repeat of 2016 in the markets.
Good. I think it's a good statement. Thank you. See you next time in Vancouver or next PDAC.
Yeah. Keep Silvercrest on your radar. You keep looking at the news that we're going to put out. Just like last week, we put out initial drill results from Phase 2 underground drilling. Phenomenal drill results and intercepts. Over 2 kilo per silver equivalent.
Wow.
You got to keep Silvercrest on your radar, and then by the end of the year, we're coming out with our first resource estimate.
Super. Thank you.
Prima. Vielen Dank.
Bitte.
Okay.